Good afternoon. My name is Elder Antonio Enriquez Rosa. I am married. I have a son. I live with my wife and my son. In my family, we are 12 members. These are my brothers and sisters. My brother, his name is Wilmer. My brother, his name is Kelvin. My sister, his name is Norma. My sister, his name is Lillian. My sister, his name is Ludi. My sister, his name is Karen. He is my father. His name is Antonio Enriquez. My father is a laborer and is 67 years old. She is my mother. His name is Melba Orfilia Rosa. Is a housewife and she is 65 years old. She is my wife. His name is Reina Maria Osorio. He is my son. His name is Anthony Enriquez. Thank you very much for your attention.